In today's video, I am going to show you step by step on how you can create your very first email marketing and how you can create your campaign by using Omnisend. So Omnisend is an email marketing that allows you to create your system, and it actually allows you to create different forms, automation workflow, and also to send your weekly campaigns to your targeted customer. Without forgetting, you can use Omnisend to create and grow your SMS marketing as well. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you can know how to create your first campaign and grow your email marketing using Omnisend. So just in case if you guys haven't signed up with Omnisend yet, click the link down below on my description so you can get along with me as I am showing you step by step on how you can get started with Omnisend. So here we are on the Omnisend website, and to get in here you have to type omnisend.com, and this will be the page that you'll first see after clicking the link. And as you can see, this is their main menu, and they have like different features. So this is what is telling you what you will get by using Omnisend. You can do the email marketing, SMS reports, different pop-ups and form, and many more. And this is the pricing section, which I'll show you in a few minutes. And this is for migration. And this is how you will pretty much know how you can migrate your informations and stuff like that. And this is where you can find all different successful stories, and these are the different resources that you can learn and grow your business. And of course, different demo. You can start a free trial from here, or if you have your account already, you can just click login and you can log in on your Omnisend account. So let's go back on the Omnisend homepage. So as I said before, Omnisend will help you to increase your sales tremendously, and you can grow your revenue. So as I said before, Omnisend will help you to increase your sales and grow your revenue. So you will pretty much use this platform for your e-commerce, email marketing, SMS, and automation. And this has been used by so many different e-commerce brands, almost like 80,000 K. And these are some of the brands that are using Omnisend, and of course it's free. They have different pricing section, which I'll get into that in a few minutes. And if we scroll all down, we will find different information that you want to know about Omnisend. And as you can see here, you can connect your Omnisend to your e-commerce platform. So if you're using Shopify, Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Wix, and many more, you can integrate your store with Omnisend. So if we scroll down here, so Omnisend will just provide you with a one-click store integration, very easy, super quick. You can complete your data sync really fast, and there is a 24 hours support and a live chat with agents, and it is also providing an easy migration of data. So if you scroll more down, you can see how many stars Omnisend have on these different e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and many more. So this proves that this is a really good email marketing platform that you can use for your emails, and as well as SMS and automation. So let's go to the pricing section. So it's easy and free to start, and you can upgrade as you grow your business. And of course, you can start with a free trial. So if you are just a newbie and a beginner, I would very recommend you to start with a free trial, because this is easy for those starters, and for those who just want to explore about Omnisend, and it's free. But of course, everything that comes in free always comes with limitations, so you will probably don't have access with so many features. And what you can get is just only 250 contacts and 500 emails per month. This is what you can send, and 60 email also 60 SMS per month as well. And up to 500 web push. And these are the things that you can enjoy for free, but of course they will be limited. But there is also a popular package which is called standard, and this is the best one for people who wants to grow their business, and the medium-sized business as well who wants to focus on the email marketing, and it is $16 per month. And of course you can start a free trial and you will have a more advantage with so many more features, and you can reach up to many more contacts, like 500 and etc. And what else I want to show you is the pro. It's a pro package. This is the base for the company who are big. They have a high volume centers, and they're aiming for adding an extra power with SMS, and this will be $59 per month. And of course you'll get more access with so many different feature. You won't be limited. And these prices also depends with the sizes of how many people are you planning to send. So if it's like 251 to 500, these will be the prices. And if you're sending to 2,000 all the way up, these will be the prices. So the prices keeps changing depending on the size of the number of people that you're planning to send these to. But of course you can start a free trial if you're a beginner, and this is what I am going to use today. I'm going to show you how to use a free trial. So now we can click here to start a free trial if you don't have an account with Omnisend yet, or you can click here log in, and you can log in if you have your account already. So you can do it from here, or you can click back on the Omnisend homepage and you can start your free trial from here. So starting a free trial is easy, simple and quick, and it's just gonna give you like straightforward information. So let me click here. So you can sign up with your Shopify store, you can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with the email. So you'll just provide regular information, and no need to put a credit card when you start your trial, so you don't have to worry about that. So but I have my account already, so I'm just gonna click login, and this is where I'm going to put my email as well as my password. Okay, and then I'm going to click login, and this is what I will see on my dashboard. So this is how the dashboard is going to be looking like. It's actually going to be a little bit different once if your account is like pretty brand new. It's going to be different, so you will just have like just basic information to add there, but not a lot. But what you will see is this. When we click on overview, this is where we're going to see our sales performance. So and this you'll see the revenue from Omnisend, and how much did you made, and how many orders from campaigns and from automations. You'll see the revenue you made and with how many orders, and this here will be your total revenue in general and how many orders that comes from. So on this side here, you'll be able to see the graph that shows like how many dollars you made, and if your revenue increase or decrease. You'll see the graph like that. Same goes with the orders. And on this section here, you can see you can select when do you want to see this data, maybe from today, last 24 hours, from last 30 days, or last week, and stuff like that. This is what I love about Omnisend. And of course you can click here to view your report, and this is where you can view all your campaigns report. But for now, we don't have a report yet. This is still also a brand new account. So yeah, now let's go back on our dashboard. So if we scroll down here, over here you can connect your store. So when you click connect, this is where you can connect your store. So if you're using Shopify, BigCommerce, you can just pick what kind of e-commerce what kind of platform are you selling from, and then if you're using Shopify, you can just click Shopify, and then you can put the link of your store, and then you can just connect it, and it's just going to be easy, simple. Okay, let's go back. Another thing before we go ahead and create our campaigns, these are the advantage that you're going to get when you connect your store with Omnisend, you'll be able to convert visitors into subscribers. As the website will be able to capture the traffic and grow your contact list through on-site forms, as well as you can drive sales while you pretty much are sleeping. So because of an automated workflow, it actually encourage your customer to come back with personalized or tailored messages delivered at a perfect time. And with this is what I am going to show you today. For example, if your customers visited your store and they like your stuff and they added them on their shopping cart, and then they're like, oh, I'm just gonna check out later, and then they forgot to come back. So pretty much Omnisend will send the email to them that, hey, you just forgot the item in your shopping cart, come back to buy these items, and we're going to give you maybe a 20% discount off. So that will helps you a lot. So it's like things like maybe like abandoned cart or offering discount, offering different offers. This is what you're going to get. And also another thing, it's going to help you to track your performance. You will be able to get a real-time sales overview and understand of how effective of each messages you send to your customers. So the only thing you have to do is just connect your store to be able to explore all these features, and you can connect your store over here, which is just few clicks. Okay, and all your data will be secured. You'll free plan is available, as I told you before, as I showed you on the plans, different packages, and you will be able to get a 24 hours 7 live team support. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create our first campaign, but before that I am going to show you how to add your audience. So let's click audience, and over here you'll be able to see all your contact list, all the people who have been subscribed in your account. This will be our contact list, and this will be different segmentation, the pre-build segmentation, customer breakdown. We will also see here the life cycle map. We'll see the import, export, and different tags that we are going to add. So to add the contact list, there are different ways you can add your list. So let's click here, add contacts. So you can add your contact to Omnisend by add a single contact. So pretty much what you're gonna do, you're just gonna click add, and then you'll be able to add your contact list manually by entering their first name, last name, their email address, phone number, and other just basic informations that are going to be needed. Or you can just paste contacts detail by copying and paste contact from different files like CSV, XLS format. So you're just gonna have to open the wizard and paste the contacts detail. You can file the import by adding different contacts from different files as well, as mentioned here. Or you can use a MailChimp data import tool, so you can sync your contacts data, and they'll be synced on your Omnisend account. So you can pick what you want to use. But in today's tutorial, I am going to show you how you can add the contact by using a single contact. So what you're going to do, just click add, and this is the page that will come up. And what you're going to do, you're going to have to type in the email address of your contact. So let's say I am going to type in lairjones@gmail.com. Okay, and then choose the phone number. So you're gonna have to choose where is this customer located to by putting the area code. So maybe United States, and I'm going to type in the number. Okay, and then over here you can, if you want more field, you can just click here, more field, and other field will come up. So just gonna put here the first name. Okay, Junes, and you can put the email address, the city, enter the state, zip code, their birth date, and many more regular information, but they're really not must. And then you can add tags if you if you want to, but it's also optional. And then, but this one is the must one to click, if this which says this person gave permission to be added to the list. If they didn't give you permission, you can't add them, so you have to select this if they are if they gave you permission to add them, and then click add subscriber. And now we have added our new subscribers. So it says we only have 2, so what we're going to do, we're just going to have to refresh the page, and now we have 3 email subscribers, 3 emails, 3 SMS subscribers, but we don't have yet push notification subscribers. But so now the next thing that I am going to show you is creating your very first campaign using Omnisend, which is going to be easy, quick, and fast. So let's click campaign, and then this is where you will see all your campaigns that you have created so far. This is one of the campaigns that I created a little while ago, but it's not live yet. It's a draft. And you can, if you have so many campaigns, you can actually sort them by the newest, all these by alphabet A to Z or from Z to A. And you can also set your campaign's name. If you have a campaign already, you can just edit from here. So let's start by creating our very first campaign. Oh, without forgetting, this is where you can see all your campaigns, all your draft, scheduled, and campaigns that has been sent. So let's create our very first campaign. So click create, and over here you can choose type of campaign that you want to create. So if you want to create just an email campaign, and this is just a regular one-time email that you can actually send it now, or you can schedule it for later. So you can click here and create an email. There is another type of campaign which email A/B test. So pretty much you can send 2 different versions of a single email and you'll be able to see which one comes out on top or which one is doing pretty good than the other one. Same goes on the SMS. You can send an SMS or an MMS campaign to your selected subscribers, as well as a push notification campaign. This will be able to turn on push notification, and you first need to connect a dedicated app. So all of these options over here, these 3 options, you will have to connect your store in order to do this. But this one is just easy, simple. You don't need to connect your store as of yet, and this is what I am going to show you in today's video. So let's click create email, and this is the page that will come up, the campaign setting. And now we are going to add our subject line for our campaign. So Omnisend will also tell you that you are safe to send volume for today. Like your sending capacity is only 250 emails. If you want to learn more, you can just click learn more and you'll be able to learn more. So I am going to create an abandoned cart email. So that way, when my customer visited my store and they liked my stuff, they put them on their shopping cart, and then they're like, oh, I'll just come back later to check out, but they forgot. So this campaign, the email that I'm going to create, will be able to send to my customers' emails, and that they have an abandoned cart and should come back to check out their stuff. And I'll also give them a reason to check out or to buy things on my store by giving them a discount. So this will be the email campaign that I'm going to create today. So let's put the title, the subject. Okay, you forgot something. In your cart, okay? And from there, this will be the sender's name. If you want to boost your campaign, you can just click this box and another section will come up. So you'll provide a booster subject line. This will be your second subject line that will be used to be sent 40 hours. I mean after 48 hours. but it's not a must. If you want to, you can do that. If you don't want to, you can just take that out. So this is the side where you're going to put all the information, and this is the side where you'll be able to see all the preview, how it will be looking like. Okay, and over here you can add the pre-header, which is optional. And this is the campaign section, which is also optional because this will be for internal use only. Only you who have an access on this Omnisend account, you'll be able to have an access on this. And over here you can manage the language. So if you want to send this email campaign in English, Dutch, German, Italian, you can select the language, but I'm just gonna leave English. And then from there you can connect your Facebook account. If you want to outpost email campaign to your Facebook page, you can do that by clicking here, connect Facebook. And if you are happy about what you wrote here, you can just click next step. And on this section here, you'll be able to see different templates that will help you. So pretty much Omnisend does offer so many professional designer email templates that will help you to succeed in your campaign goals. It will also help you to stand out on any kind of device, maybe like a mobile phone or a tablet and stuff like that. So also you have different goals over here. If you want to create a welcome and engage template, or promote a product, announce a sale, offer a discount, others, etc. And if you have templates that you liked and you want to save them, they will all be shown here on saved template. So now let's go back on our template section. And since I am going to offer a discount for all the abandoned checkout, so my customer can come back and get a discount when they check out, I'll just pick this, offer a discount. Okay. Or if you want to announce a sale, Omnisend will actually offer you different templates to pick from, but I'm just going to offer a discount, so I'm just going to take that out. And I'm going to click use this template. And I have used this template before. So let me go back. Okay, so I am going to select a template that I want. I think I like this one. Let me see about this one. Okay, so I'm gonna select this one. So over here on the top, since I have created one campaign before, so it actually updated all other templates. This is the section where you're going to add your logo. So if you click this section, you'll be able to see, okay, before that, this section, this is the library section, and this is your editing section. So on the library, you'll be able to add different text, pattern, videos, logos. You can add you'll be able to see your different saved items, the saved layout, per header, different headers, different images, email body, product listing, images, anything you want to add. And this section here is your editing section. So let's say if we want to edit this header over here. So this is the section where you'll be able to add your logo. So what you're gonna do, click there, and if this is not the logo you want, you can click here, replace, and you can insert you can select a logo from your computer, or you can use the image from URL. Okay, but I'm just going to use the same one. But that's pretty much how you are going to add your logo, and you can edit if you want it to be on the left, on the right, at the center. I like it at the center, so I'm just going to leave it from there. And this is where you're going to start creating or editing your template, your email template. So let's say the aim of this template is creating an abandoned cart discount. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna type, you forgot something, 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 you forgot someth Okay, because our heading is gonna say you forgot something on your shopping cart. So I'm just gonna tell them use this discount. Oh, use this card. Use this card. Use this card to get a discount. Okay. And then over here, I'm just gonna click. So once you click that, you have an access to change your text style. So if you want the heading to be large, medium, heading small, that's how it's gonna be like. Okay, this is how it's gonna be, the heading large. Use this code to get a discount. Oh, you can make it like medium. I'm just gonna leave the heading as medium, and you can change the font if you want to be that kind of font. You can change which one you like. Okay. And you can scroll down and you'll be able to see different fonts that are pretty much available in Omnisend, and they pretty much have tons of them, so you can pick which one you want. Okay, so and then you can change the size if you want them to be 5, but make sure your customer will be able to read it. So I'm just gonna leave it to 30 pixels. Okay, and then you can change the line weight if you want to be 115 or 125. I'm just gonna leave it 1.25. And then you can change where you want this to be. Okay, oops, so I don't like that. So I'm just gonna leave it there. So it's just easy, simple like that. You can change the color too, the color you like. If you want to be that color, you can change the color. So, and then from here, let's click this one, and we are going to create add a discount code. So if you want to replace it, you can click that and select if you have like a template or something that you want. Maybe you want to offering like 20% off. You can come here, you can select from computer or use an image from URL. Okay, so you can delete it if you don't want it. Okay, or you can bring it back, or you can add a new one, just like how I showed you. So I'm just going to delete it because I just want to put just a percentage. So I'm just gonna give them 20% off. So this will pop up from here. And of course I can change the fonts, the heading large or the paragraph. Of course I'm just gonna leave it the heading medium, the heading large, and I am going to change the size of it. So just gonna put it 83, and you can change the font size you want as well. Okay, and now comes to the button. So over here you can change, of course, if you want to say maybe buy now or shop now, it's all the same. You can put the link of those products that they left on the cart, so when they click it, it's gonna take them straight where they left. But this is where you're just gonna have to take this out and put the link, and it's gonna be, when you send this email to your customer, when they click buy now, this is going to be a clickable one. Okay, and you can select a button style. So if you want to be a secondary, if you want to be tertiary or primal button, you can do that. If you want it to be on the left, at the center, right, or full, you can also do that. So I'm just gonna leave it at the center. And yeah, and this is also where you can tell your customer that this discount will be applied at their checkout. It won't be applied just automatic until they go to the checkout section. This is where the discount will be applied. Okay, and of course over here you can add your social media accounts, so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. You can do that. You can just click that one, and you can click that, and you can put the link of your Instagram. Okay, or if you put the wrong link, you can just update the link. Same goes with Facebook. You can do that. You can do that. So, and this arrow over here, when you click it, it's gonna take you straight maybe on the Twitter account, and on Instagram. When they click it, it's gonna take them straight on the Instagram account, and this is because you have added the links of these accounts. Okay, so, and over here, and this is where it's gonna show the account name, the address, and it will also provide information like this email was sent to this content email because you have subscribed to our site or made a purchase. Okay, and this is where your customer will be able to edit the reference, and they'll be able to unsubscribe if they don't want to be subscribing anymore on your email list. So and this information will actually be populated automatic from Omnisend on at the back end, so you don't have to worry about it. So once you're done about your email campaign, just go ahead and click finish editing, and this will actually finish editing your email template. So now here you can select if you want to send these to all subscribers, or you want to choose your segment where or who you want to send this campaign. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna have to create a segment. So let's say if Lair or Happy or Hansel forgot their shopping cart, you can just click that. So let's click Hansel, Sanjay. We can just let's create a segment by subscription status. So you can create a subscription status there. Let's put the segment name. Let's just put Hansel. Okay, so now let's go back on our campaigns, and these are the campaigns that we have created so far. So let's click the campaign that we created together, and so pretty much, let's go back. So pretty much this is gonna be the heading over there that say you forgot something in your cart. You can pretty much edit it if you want to add more informations. Okay, so let's click here first. Okay, so let's click and see how it actually looks like. So this is how it looks like. We have our logo, and it's gonna tell our customer use this code to get a discount, and it's only limited time, and they can get 25 off. And when they click buy now, they'll be taken straight to where they left from their abandoned cart, and they'll be able to get a 20% off. Okay, so that's how it looks like when you first create your campaign. So when you finish so once you finish, okay, so click finish editing, and this is where you're going to choose where you want to send it. So maybe you want to send to all your subscribers, or you want to exclude a certain segment, or you want to choose like certain segment you want to send this email. And once you're done, you can send the test email, or you can follow the next step. So you can send a test email. So let's say I'm going to send this email to myself, so I can see how it's actually going to look like. So pretty much this is the good thing about Omnisend. Before you send the email to the specific customer, you'll be able to send the test email just to test it on yourself and see if all the information will be looking correctly, like how you wanted it. So I'm just gonna click send test, and then the only thing you have to do is just check the inbox and be able to see. So once you saw that the email is looking really great, what you're gonna do is just go to the next step. If you're using a Gmail account, um, so if you're using a Gmail account as a sender email address, this may prevent the delivery of your emails. So what you're gonna do, you have to use the emails that you're using for your business with the domain name. This is really important. This is why I put the Gmail account, so I can actually point the problem at the end when you want to review and send your email marketing to your subscribers. So what you can do, you're just gonna click here, fix the issue, and you can change the sender email. So this is what it's gonna tell you if you use Yahoo, Outlook, Hotmail. So it's gonna tell you what kind of email you can actually look. So once you click that, Omnisend is gonna show you what kind of email you should use. And they'll also give you a recommendation, just like how I said, to avoid the risk for delivery issue. Use a sender's email address with your own custom domain name. Okay, so if you don't have a custom domain name, then you can register one, maybe with Google Domains, or with your e-commerce platform that you are using for your business, maybe Shopify, Wix, etc. And then once you're ready, just click here, change the sender's email address, and you'll be able to add your email. Okay, and you can leave this here or you can just delete it, but that's how you can do that. So let's go back on our dashboard. So pretty much that's how you can create your campaign and add audience using Omnisend. And I hope this video was really helpful and that you have a quite of an understanding about Omnisend and their advantages and how it can actually helps you to grow your marketing, grow your sales, and increase your revenue. I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you have any questions, just ask me down below on the description and I'll be happy to get back to you. And that's it on today's video. I'll see you on the next tutorial.